In this video, I'm going to be installing a new Ford grill emblem in this Ford Edge. Now what I want you to take notice when you're out and about driving around, notice all the Ford Edges, Ford Explorers, some Ford Escapes, either that grill emblem is totally faded, and I'm talking about where the blue is, it's pure silver because the blue fades out very quickly, or this has fallen off. Now it's noticeably a big deal from about 2009 to about 2013. This happens to be a 2011. Now in order to be successful putting this on, you need to do two things. This needs to be completely cleaned with alcohol or Goo Gone, and I highly recommend that it's warm. Either warm it up with a hair dryer or leave it out in the sun. So let's get this installed. Now what I typically like to use for adhesive remover is this Goof Off or Goo Gone. But you want it in the liquid form. Don't use the spray can. The spray can is much more powerful, and if you get that on your paint or other surfaces, it will take the paint right off. So we're going to put this on a paper towel and get this wiped clean. Now you need to rub quite a bit to get all of that old adhesive off. You have all the adhesive off, you're going to notice the 3 locating holes. You want to make sure those are free and clear of any debris, and you want to make sure that the new part that you got doesn't have a lot of flashing on here. Like this one here has got a big chunk of flashing. It comes right off, but you want to make sure these are free and clear so it will go right into its locating holes. Now you're going to hold on tight to that emblem while you peel the adhesive back off. You do not want to drop this at this point. This is very sticky. It's going to pick up anything it touches. And then carefully line up the locating tabs with the locating holes. And then once you got it in place, I like to hold it for about 30 seconds. Don't push real hard. You just want to give it a little bit of pressure for about 30 seconds. Now you can go ahead and remove the protective film. Now congratulate yourself on a job well done. Your car looks better, you've added a little bit of resale value, and you're going to be a little more proud that you've done the work yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.